At Inca Philippines Inc., we bring you smart, sustainable solutions. Introducing the Inca Biodiesel Brewer is a practical and convenient system for producing biodiesel from vegetable oil, animal oil, or a combination of both. Designed to be safe and easy to operate, the UV-stabilized translucent virgin polyethylene containers are seamlessly rotomolded into a single space to produce biodiesel and its byproducts. Production procedures performed by a single person are simplified. Chemical dosing and mixing are accurately measured and safely dispensed, with graduations embossed on the bodies of the plastic containers. With a maximum capacity of 100 liters of biodiesel per batch, the brewer is equipped with a motorized mixer, a bubble aerator, and all plastic valves. This results in higher quality, more convenient biodiesel for use in all types of diesel engines, ovens, and burners. Based on actual use, the cycle time from loading used vegetable oil to harvesting the biodiesel product is about 30 hours, including filtering, mixing, settling, wash sequence, and drying. Equipment needed to produce biodiesel includes a biodiesel machine, a weighing scale, and plastic containers. For mixture, 100 liters of used cooking oil, 20 liters of methanol, and 350 grams of sodium hydroxide. For the washing, it needs to have 50 liters for this one batch to turn. The direct cost of production is 36% of current petroleum diesel prices. At a production or consumption rate of 200 liters of biodiesel per month, the estimated paycheck is less than 1 year. The Inca Biodiesel Brewer is excellent for do-it-yourself enthusiasts, homeowners, and those who like to engage in livelihood savings projects. It comes with a complete instructional manual. Inca may also provide hands-on training. So here's the step-by-step process for making our own biodiesel brewer at home. Filter the used cooking oil into a clean plastic container using a fine mesh wire to remove any food scraps or solid particles. You can also use cheesecloth as a funnel for filtration. Carefully pour 20 liters of methanol into the methoxide container, keeping your face well away from the top of the tank. Weigh 310 to 350 grams of sodium hydroxide on a weighing scale, and carefully pour the sodium hydroxide into the methoxide tank. Close the lid of the methoxide blender tightly. Then turn on the switch. Mix for about 10 minutes until the sodium hydroxide has dissolved. Treat sodium methoxide with caution. Always have a water hose running when working with sodium methoxide. Remove the lid of the mixing tank and carefully pour 100 liters of the filtered used cooking oil into it. Turn on the mixing tank blending motor and stir the used cooking oil mixture for about 30 minutes at 35 degrees Celsius. Turn on the heater switch. Preheat the mixture to 48 to 55 degrees Celsius. Turn on the mixing tank blending motor. Open the valve from the methoxide tank to add the sodium methoxide to the used cooking oil while stirring. Blend the mixture or about to 45 to 60 minutes. Turn off the mixing tank blending motor. After processing, the mixture separates into biodiesel and glycerin. Allow the solution to sit and cool for at least 8 hours, preferably longer. The semi-liquid glycerin is dark brown, while the biodiesel is honey-colored. Drain the glycerin from the bottom of the mixing tank by opening the bypass valve into a separate container. Keep a watch-out on what flows through the bypass valve. When the lighter-colored biodiesel appears, close the bypass valve. Open the lid of the washing tank and fill it with about 50 liters of water. Open the discharge valve to divert all of the biodiesel from the mixing tank to the wash tank. You are now ready for the washing process. Switch on the aerator. Bubble wash the mixture for 3 to 4 hours, then allow 4 to 8 hours for settling. Drain off the washing water by opening the drain valve at the bottom of the washing tank. This process might have to be repeated 2